This is going to be an adventure in barbecue. This is what I'm working with. See, we have the traditional collard greens, some Western premium barbecue product, Mesquite barbecue chunks that I have never used before. I'll give it a try. The chunks are going to be new, and then I have a standard whole chicken that I'm going to cut up and see if I can get this on the grill. And that's going to be it. So let's see what I'm going to do. Let's see what's going to work. See you soon. Alright, this is going to be the seasonings. I forgot. I just pull out a lot of seasonings without thinking about what I put it in there. Just cook by instinct, I guess. But I don't use salt, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some Goya, some Tony's original Creole seasoning. It's add a little zipper spice. Maybe some fajita seasoning with the chicken. Maybe not with the greens. Some olive oil and some fresh ground pepper. Now that's going to be my thing. And you can flavor it to taste. And of course with greens you can add whatever you want. And you can add smoked turkey, bacon, whatever. But I have a tendency to cook with no salt and a little healthy. So for me it's going to be olive oil, the Creole seasoning, some adobe all-purpose seasoning, and mainly some pepper. And the thing about cooking greens, if they don't taste like you want them to when they're done, you can always add something to it. That's it. At this phase, what you do is you take the greens, you layer them on top of each other. Just, take one leaf, lay it on top of another leaf, another one. Use this as an example. And you roll it. Just roll it. Sorry about that. Lay them down. And you cut them. Slice them. Alrighty now, here we go for another finished product. What we have here are old school collard greens. Brought them by the bunch, washed them down, soaked them in some water, chopped them up, cooked them, sauteed them, seasoned them with everything but salt. Everything but salt, because for me, if it doesn't taste good, if it doesn't have flavor, I'm not gonna eat it. And on the side, I have some just regular Jiffy cornbread mix that I, out of the box. That I kind of dotted up a little bit so it wouldn't be dry, because I don't like dry cornbread. Anyway, this is your everyday collard greens. This is not your Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day collard greens that folks hook up. Even though I can cook those too with everything under the sun. These are a little bit more mainstream for everyday living when you're just trying to eat a healthy meal and kind of keep on point. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. I know I did. I learned something new every day. And then meanwhile, you guys take care of yourselves. And thanks for watching. Peace and grace.